14, 2 to bid. Now with the 9 of the negative, 11 of the 9 of the 9 of the 4. Now
Love saving money and finding treasures? Check out BronsteinAuction.com for our weekly live virtual auctions every Friday night. Find Orlando's best kept secret at BronsteinAuction.com. Save, find treasure, and have fun.
Hey guys, welcome to Bronstein Auction Company, where we have everything from Caribbean Sun to poker sets to vintage viewers with the slides to vintage electronics and everything in between for our specialty auction. This is our December specialty auction, which takes place on Tuesday, the 17th of December 2024. We kick it off live virtual at 6 p.m. Definitely make sure you are here and ready to go for preview on Monday evening from 4 to 8 p.m. and Tuesday from 2 to 5 p.m. And be ready to rock and roll, get your in-person preview done, and then get online and bid on each item in real time. Live virtual, no ticking time clock here, guys. This is the real thing. You get to bid on it in real time, see who you're bidding against, and it's all up and above board and all fair and ready to go. So be ready to rock and roll for Bronstein Auction Company's monthly specialty auction. And that's the Tiburn Turnpike oldie right there. Great guitar with a case, with a hard case. Brand new coach, absolutely amazing. So yes, be ready for our auction, guys. This is our specialty auction. We do once a month, and that is on a Tuesday night. This iPad Air 2 works. It's unlocked with cellular. I just got to charge it again. Vintage perfume bottles, set of 5 commemoratives right here, guys. These are enamel, believe enamel type commemoratives. Really nice Yamaha C40 acoustic, nice vintage piece right there. Coach purse, absolutely gorgeous. I believe that's brand new. Got a beautiful set of jewelry here. A nice Invicta watch, Stream Deck pedal, doesn't look like it was ever used. Yamaha receiver, old school. Layered Elvis, he actually moves, okay? 7-inch Poland piece right there. We've got a line 6 with the case. It's a POD HD 5500 stomp box with the effects. I tested it out and got it to work some really cool tunes. Amp, really nice one right there. Esteban amp. Michael Kors purse, I believe that to be brand new. Bring you on over here. We have Kennedy from the 60s. We have this really cool old Virginia map. We have the Beatles. That is signed on it, I think, but I don't have a certificate of authenticity, so I can't guarantee that one. Look at these absolutely stunning Tiffany style stained glass lamps. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Wonderful pieces. The only thing with the rose one is it's got a little defect in it right there. But hey, you turn that side to the back, right? Choice on mid-century modern pieces right there. Starting lineup galore. We got quite a few of those. Choice on your schooners. Those are really cool. Michael Kors vintage Gucci. We've got a plum agate in sterling silver. We got some good gold pieces coming up tonight too, guys. So stick around for the rest of this preview. Beautiful cloisonne bracelet. More starting lineup. We've got a mandolin, clarinet, mandolini. Rogue. Look at this beauty. Rogue right here on a Rogue mandolin. We got the mandolini clarinet and the Rogue mandolin. How cool is that? Bring you on over here. We've got this 12-inch tin vintage train. Chipper Jones, really graded, nice card. We got 7 pieces here. They're all signed. Batman collection, 71 original Mickey. Yep, it's got a little tear on the crotch. This baby's signed right here, 10-inch tall. She is signed on the bottom. Really nice Michael Kors purse, Gucci, vintage Gucci with the box. And look at the old receipt with it. Did scratch off the folks' card number on there. Not that it's probably any good anymore. Puff iron, look how old that is. Bring you right up here, absolutely gorgeous clock right here. Invicta, really nice Invicta with the box. And we have Big Richard. He wants to say hello to you. Oh no. Yeah, remember those? Those are old guys. Those are oldies right there. We got Cote d'Azur. We have a Dala coffee teapot. Really nice piece there. Jimi Hendrix, 1967. Bob Dylan, 66. Whiskey A Go-Go with the Doors and the Birds from 67. Really nice set of 4 panels right here. The Mother of Pearl. Nice Roman warrior, very heavy piece. Fabergé musical egg, that is really cool. Bella Perlina, a nice world sculpture, guys. That is awesomely heavy. More of the starting lineup. Choice on the vintage Gucci's. Yeah, this is going to be a rockin' sale, guys. Yes, this is for the 17th of December. That is a Tuesday night. Auction starts at 6 o'clock sharp. You can come in person and preview on Monday the 16th from 4 to 8 p.m. This is a collection of 23 pages of quarters and stamps, state stamps. And also on Tuesday from 2 to 5 p.m. And then we go live virtual at 6 p.m. You get to bid on each and every item. You get to come pick it up the following day. How cool is that? Just about everything for anybody you could ever imagine. Little Michael Kors, it is new, but it's got some damage on the handle. That big brass piece. Stroh's beer light. How cool is that? Put it in the man cave or the she shed, wherever you want to put it. T. Harvey, we've got some really great sports from 1991 sports cards. Got a nice Ibanez Tone Blaster. Tried it out, it does work. Some really beautiful heavy sculpture right here. Michael Kors in pink, clarinet. Some comic relief for you. Comic books and comic sleeves. Brand new Casio Tone CTS 190. Brand spanking new, guys. Make a nice Christmas present. Coach computer bag. Disney Coach, look at that, it's like brand spanking new, beautiful piece. Randy Jackson electric commemorative USA style guitar. What a cool piece that is. Choice right here on the signed balls. Ray-Bans with the box, really cool, no head though, y'all. Another set there. Lord Calvert. Got a really nice Ibanez Geo, and we're gonna bring you over here. This baby's 21 inches, he's metal, and really, really heavy. Cool piece right there. And around the bend here, we have this gorgeous Coach purse, Coach sack, that's a biggie. This 45-inch metal clock, check that out. Disney jacket, we've got a signed Daniel Charles piece that is metal, 20 by 18, and it is signed on the bird. Old USSR globe, guys, they don't say USSR anymore. Now I'm going to jump on here and show you some really amazing coins. You got 1936 or 1939 quarters. We have really, really amazing mint condition Franklins. 1891 O Morgan, look at the condition on that. Beautiful sterling bracelet, 11 grams. Choice on some peace dollars. Look at this, 94 uncirculated silver eagle, never touched. Choice on your silver quarters again, some peace dollars. Those are heavy now if you like your silver. Look at this, 1884 or 1891 O Morgans. Aussie, 1 ounce, Year of the Tiger, gorgeous. 40s and 50s dimes. Look at this, here's where we really dig into it. We have choice of wartime Hawaii issue, okay? How often do you see these? And these are in pretty darn nice shape. We had a couple of them a few weeks back that weren't quite this nice. Look at this. They're in really good shape. The wartime issue, very rare brown seals. Babe Ruth with the gold card. This one's got some mispunch damage on the side. The edges got punched off. Jim Kelly, my Buffalo boy. Some more silver quarters. Look at these. 1923 silver certificates. These are the Mongo size. Look at the difference from the size of the regular bill to those. In excellent condition. Silver Eagle. I've taken choice here of this one, and these also were uncirculated. Another 35A wartime bill. Vintage Sabata knife. Look at these Franklins. They absolutely shine. 37 Walking Liberty. 91 Eagle. I'm telling you, you guys are going to love this. Choice on the Franklins. Choice on the quarters. 38 or 38S. 01 Eagle. Some more gorgeously clean Franklins. 55 or 57. 4 ounce 1998 silver round. 4 ounces. Choice of Sitting Bull or Red Cloud, silver 1 ounce. You got some more Morgans. You got some more of the Franklins. Just absolutely stunning. Pan Am or Year of the Rabbit in silver rounds. More amazing. Sorry about that little fling there, guys. Very old Morgans. You got the 1800s. 5 ounce Olympic, and it's done in the quarter style. King Charles. And on the back side, it's SpongeBob SquarePants. Let me show you the back of this one too. Really, really amazing. Maple Leaf, first day of issue. 10 carat pendant, 1.96 grams. 14 carat diamond ring, 3.3 grams. And another 14 carat diamond set, 3.4 grams. And by guys, we have more coins and paper coming up in just a few minutes. And look here, biggest fan. Yes, look at this thing, it's cool. Really nice 22-inch stained glass lamp, a brand new in the box Roland EX10. Make a great Christmas present. 2 big cocks right here. This thing, didn't know what to call it, so I called it a thing. Starting lineup. Again, cool as can be. We're going to round the bend right here. We have this beautiful copper hanging light. That is a cool vintage looking piece. Harley, made all of metal, including the helmet. We have the vintage letter openers from Bosnia. Spitfire, more starting lineup. Look at this absolute Mongo set of flatware. It's like the gold plate looking flatware with the handles. It's got this nice solid carry box, wood box, really nice piece. I'll whip you around the corner here. Look at this Jackson. Jackson, what a shred guitar this is, guys. Absolutely amazing condition in the deep emerald. Plays like a charm. Fujiya on the reel-to-reel. We have Game Day, Mega Game Day. We're going to come back in here. 6.4 grams of 14 karat on that ring. 5.9 grams on that one. Gorgeous piece. 8-gram bracelet. 1.5 total carat weight in diamond with 10 carat of 3.6 gram. Sterling of 17 grams. An 1889 Morgan. A 1926 piece. Some Barber quarters. And look at this. Series 2017A. What makes these so special? They run in succession, successive serial numbers. How often do you get that? Not very often. Heat Rises. Little Night Music, all signed by the entire cast of that show, guys. Really cool collectible piece. Silk Koi right here on a 23.27 or 23 by 27. Nice vintage Fender. And this is hard to even show you how gorgeous this guitar is. You see how green it is? It is actually emerald green. It is not black. Michael Kors in pink. Dooney and Burke. RC Chopper, great gift. Some more Oriental boxed up people. Ji Huan Luminous Cups, really cool collection right there. Really cool little collection of cameras here. Have you ever seen a little square Polaroid like that? 12-inch Statue of Liberty, but what makes him cool, or her cool? It's a letter opener. And no, it is not John Morgan. If you've seen the picture of him on the bus, how ridiculous does he look? Calvin Klein, the starting lineup. Yeah, I mean, it's just not even funny. And, you know, and then the Santa Claus thing, he just better never try to dress in God garb, because that would just be really pushing over the line. Starting lineup, whatever. I'm sure he's a good guy, but it's just some things you just don't do. You're not Santa Claus, you're not the Statue of Liberty, dude. All right, check it out right here. We're going to bring you on over here. Starting lineup once again. Mickey in boxes. We have this really cool Banditos chess set from Brazil. Humidor. And here you go. How do you know it's a humidor? It looks like, oh, look at that. It's all copper inside. Really nice old humidor, guys. Broadway cast recordings. I found this to be very interesting. Okay. You have Chicago, Les Miserables, Pippin, Funny Girl, Annie, Guys and Dolls, City of Angels. I mean, I could go on and on. Lion King, all this stuff. Look at that. Jekyll and Hyde, Phantom of the Opera. Really amazing book right here. Full of CDs, ready to go for you. Buffalo, Miami mashup. Mixed up Buffalo and Miami in one deal. Bring you up. We're going to sell those pair of antler lamps. Kieran Light. Get it? Kieran Light. Haha. Schmitz. Yes. And the stereo with the, it does have the record player, 29-inch. This is metal and glass. And we have the Mostar from Bazna. And bring you over here is absolutely phenomenal 35-inch stained glass Tiffany style. Bring you on over here. The pads, they do fire up and work. I had them powered up in the pictures. We have coming over here, we have the SAC. We have the mixer, we have the Pi lamp, the Gucci, the MCM custom speakers, this beautiful pair of stained glass hanging lamps, and we're going to finish it out with 5 times on sports collectible historic moments. Yes, this will be for Tuesday, the 17th of December, right here at Bronstein Auction Company. Make sure you're registered with us, guys. If you are not registered, get online, do your forms, get registered, come out, find treasure, save money, and have a good time. We're also having an auction Friday night. That'll be our last sale of the month. That is Friday the 20th. Friday the 20th will be our last sale of the month because we're going to take the 27th off for Christmas. And Merry Christmas to y'all, or Happy Holidays for whatever holiday you choose to celebrate. I say celebrate it with zest and passion. So we're going to be off that Friday, and then the 3rd of January we are going to have a rockin' huge sale. And we have some great announcements when it comes to announcing we're going to be doing some things differently and even better for the specialty sales. So hang in with us, guys. We got a lot of good stuff going on. Visit us at bronsteinauction.com. Give us a call at 407-917-7355 or 689-227-5757. Be happy to assist you. Looking forward to seeing you at auction time, guys. This is the way to do it, way to save money and get some amazing treasures. Have a great night. Be blessed. We'll see you at auction time.